Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close an old bank account properly using Nerdwallet. Are you thinking of closing an old bank account? Don't just abandon it. Do it right. It's going to help you to avoid fees, overdraft, and even, credit issues. So here's how to close an account properly, step by step. First, open a new account if needed, of course, because before closing your account, you got to make sure that you actually have one set up. So this ensures continuity for direct deposits and bill payments. Next, transfer your funds. So before you're going to close your account, you want to make sure you move all of your money from your old account to a new one, and leave a small buffer to cover any pending transactions or automatic payments. Next, update direct deposits and bill payments. So now you gotta update your employer, utility company, subscription services, as well as any auto payments with your new account information. Next, wait for pending transactions to clear up. So give it a few days to a week. Check that all scheduled payments, checks, and transfers have cleared. Next, contact your bank to close the accounts. Now you just gotta call or visit a branch, or you could use online banking if available to request account closure. Ask for a written confirmation that your account is closed and that there is no remaining fees or obligations. Once that's done, shred old checks and cards. So once your account is closed, destroy all of your old checkbooks, debit cards, as well as any account information, just to prevent fraud or confusion. Closing a bank account might seem simple, but by skipping steps, that may cost you a lot. So follow this method, you ensure a smooth, clean break without surprise fees or lost payments. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.